What if you could replace 5 messy nested if statements with one clean, readable formula? The switch function makes it possible and it takes seconds to write. Nested if formulas are painful, one extra condition and the whole thing breaks. Editing them weeks later is a nightmare that costs you serious time and sanity. Here we have a list of sales reps and their regions. Click the empty cell next to the first region. We will use Switch to return a manager name for each region automatically. Switch takes the region cell, then pairs each possible value with its result. North returns Alice, South returns Ben, and so on. The last part is your default if nothing matches. Press Enter and Excel instantly returns Alice for North. Drag the formula down and every rep gets the right manager. No nested ifs, no errors, totally clean and readable. You just replaced a nightmare nested if formula with one clean line, saving 10 minutes every time you edit it. Most Excel users still suffer with nested IFs. Subscribe so you never fall behind again.